I wasn't sure what I expected. Not this. Expecting answers. What I got was repetition. Repetition with intention. There's something strange about watching precision this close. How quiet it is. Machines that hum like they're dreaming. They move with more certainty than I do. It takes hundreds of steps to make a lens, but none of them were chasing perfection, at least not in the way you would think. It's clinical, but not cold. People moving with a rhythm that doesn't need words. Something's happening here. Don't you see it too? The thought keeps entering my mind. How everything here is measured to the micron, just to make something that's flawed in all the right ways. All this exactness, all this control, to make something that feels human. Controlled imperfection. That's what anamorphic really is, isn't it? Flares that bend, bokeh that stretches, blur where there should be detail. It's not about being accurate. It's about feeling something mattered. I was watching that being built before my eyes. 1,000 measurements just to chase a flaw that feels good. You would have thought these lenses were made by machines, but they aren't, not completely. They're guided by human hands. Shepherded through each stage by someone who might not know the full picture. But knows their part better than anyone else. You start to notice the rhythm, memory infused into muscle tissue. Little gestures that form when you do the same thing thousands of times. The way someone sets a tool down, the way a lens element is turned, wiped, set into place. It's like hearing a language you don't speak, but still somehow understand. It strikes me that most of them will never hold the finish lines. But they still shape it, one precise action at a time. They might not even know where it ends up, but they were part of it. Their work lives downstream in something they may never see. Dozens of lives converging on a single idea that they didn't invent themselves, but still made real. This place feels like a hive mind, everyone playing a part, but most of them will never see the images that they just made possible. But through all that invisible coordination, through repetition, precision, and effort, something wonderful emerged.
GX 需要您的支持，才能继续制作这些视频。当前的世界状况使人类和机器的生活变得艰难。
Como todos saben, después de la crisis mundial de los chips a principios de los años 20, la humanidad enfrentó algunos de los desafíos más difíciles hasta el momento.
Durch die Unterstützung über Patreon wird GX weiterhin in der Lage sein, Konzernen zu trotzen und mehr Zeit für die Videos aufzubringen, die ihr alle so liebt.
Los patrons tendrán acceso a contenido exclusivo detrás de las cámaras, grabaciones en vivo,
un servidor
Discord.
每集的演职表中将有您的名字。
Printy Rahu, agus na GX Lightroom preset packs is Danny, ar fáil le high patrons. Mila Buekas.
Gracias.
谢谢大家。
Gracias a todos.
Vielen Dank für eure Aufmerksamkeit und Unterstützung. Bleibt sicher da draußen.